So it's a solid bottom. You can fill this with anything you want. The most popular is beer.
Okay.
We're gonna use apple juice today.
Apple
you
juice
put any seasonings you want. The reason the holes are around it is because all that moisture steams up through your chicken while it's cooking.
All right.
Gives you the best tasting chicken you'll ever have.
I want to see this in action.
If you're looking for something that's easy for a weekend grilling, come to Boulevard and pick up a couple chicken.
The moistest chicken I've ever had. So you just need this chicken throne.
That's it.
Chicken throne. Hey everybody, Tyler here with Jason again, our Traeger expert. We are here at Boulevard Home. We're going to demo today how to use a chicken throne. So many times you wonder what this is and how it works, but we're going to cook a nice juicy chicken for you today, and Jason's going to show us how it's done.
Awesome. All right, so go ahead and get yourself a whole chicken. Make sure it's not frozen is the key here. So with your chicken throne, just put it aside. What we're using today is apple juice. You can use any type of juice you want, Dr. Pepper, root beer, apple juice, anything. So what you want to do is you want to get your chicken throne and you want to fill it up. And you want to go right to the bottom of the neck. And then you're going to want to grab your seasoning. This time we're going to use Traeger rub on this. And you want to be generous and put it all over your chicken. You can't have too much rub on them. You got your juice in your chicken throne. Put a little seasoning in there also. And what that's going to do is that's going to cook and boil up all through these holes and make it the moist seasoned chicken you've ever had. And you just put it over the top. Just like this. Put his legs out, and there you have your chicken.
All right, so we've got this chicken all ready to go into the grill. We've preheated the Traeger grill. We're actually cooking a pizza in here while we're at it, but we preheated it at 400 degrees on high, and then you just slide the chicken right on there. Just like that. And now you shut it, and you cook it for approximately
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yep.
All right, so I'm here with Jason right now. The chicken's been cooking for 30 plus minutes. We've checked it a couple times, but we're gonna do it again right now. We've put a temperature probe in, so let's look at the chicken, Jason, and tell me what you do with this.
Okay. So we just hit the temperature probe on the Traeger, and it's up to 157 degrees. So you want it about 170 before you take it off. So you put the probe in the thickest part of the meat of the chicken, and then about every 15 minutes, what I like to do is just spritz it with a little bit of butter. And what this will do is it puts a nice crispy coat on the skin of the chicken. So it makes it even better to eat and holds in all those juices too.
That's looking delicious, looking amazing. So we're thinking another 10 minutes or so, it should be ready to go. So we'll pull it out at that time.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So it's time, we're here. We just checked the temperature. As you come down here and look at the temperature, on the Traeger, you hit that probe selector right there, and it is telling us that we are at temperature 170, which is perfect. So you want it over 165, 170 is perfect. Let's check it out. We're gonna pull it out right now and then show you how juicy, how delicious this chicken is.
All right, Tyler, are you ready for the best part?
I'm ready. Let's show them how juicy and tender this chicken is.
So when you get those chicken thrones, this is why you get them. Just cutting to the biggest part of the breast right here. And if you look at that, look at how juicy all that tender meat is. Do you see that juice just running in there? Look at that. Absolutely perfect every time.
All right, so we've got the chicken in front of us. It looks delicious, Jason. You did an amazing job. Everybody, please subscribe to our videos. I'm gonna test this in just a minute. We're letting it cool off. We just pulled it out of the grill. So subscribe to our channel, ring the bell below to get notifications. Hopefully you'll love this video and you set some time aside to go and smoke your own chicken. So let's try this, Jason. Let's see how it tastes.
You got it. There's a piece right there.
That is amazing. Very good job.
As the juiciest chicken I've ever had. So if you guys want to look at our other Traeger demos where we make other things, go onto our website and check us out.